This is your Diamond insight on the arrest and release of Mumbi Phiri. The recent decision by the Director of Public Prosecutions (DPP) to decline prosecuting the PF's Mumbi Phiri simply brings to light a disturbing pattern that continues to plague the Zambia Police Service. The arrest of citizens without proper investigation and evidence, the case where Madam Phiri was accused of aggravated robbery involving 20,000 kwacha and a phone, only for the DPP to determine that there was insufficient evidence, raises serious concerns about the integrity of the police investigative processes. It is unacceptable that individuals can be arrested based on flimsy and unsubstantiated allegations, only to have their cases dismissed due to lack of evidence. This not only wastes valuable resources, but also subjects innocent citizens to undue stress, public humiliation and potential damage to their reputations. The practice of arresting individuals without concrete evidence is a flagrant and abuse of human rights and a breach of the principle of justice. The Zambia Police Service must prioritize thorough and impartial investigations before making arrests. The presumption of innocence until proven guilty is the cornerstone of our justice system, and it is vital that law enforcement agencies uphold this principle in every case. Arrests should never be made to serve political interest or as a form of public spectacle. They should be based on clear evidence that can stand up to scrutiny in a court of law. Moreover, the public trust in the Zambia Police Service is eroded every time an arrest is made without sufficient cause. Citizens begin to fear being targeted for reasons other than legitimate law enforcement, and this undermines the credibility of the entire system. If the police are to serve the people, they must do so with professionalism, transparency, and a commitment to justice. The abuse of power, whether intentional or not, is dangerous for any society. It's time for the Zambia Police Service to reflect on its procedures and ensure that every arrest is made with the seriousness, evidence, and the respect for human rights that the public deserves. This should be a lesson for the law enforcement. Due process is not just a legal requirement, but a moral obligation. Only by upholding themselves to the highest standards can they restore the public's trust and ensure that justice truly prevails. We say that the Zambia Police Service must stop arresting citizens without proper investigation and evidence. To continue this practice is not only an embarrassment, but an infringement on the fundamental rights of Zambians. It is time for accountability and reform in the way the police operate.